Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the pin-up box. This puzzle was designed by Lucy Powles and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. The pin-up box was made using 4 different types of wood: jatoba, benge, maple and bubinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the box and lock them with the pin. And to check if your solution is correct, flip the box if all the parts are still in the box, that is the correct solution. But if any of the parts fell off the box, that means that you have to keep looking for the correct solution. This puzzle has 6 parts, and if you take a closer look at them, you will find that 4 of 6 parts have a circle cut out on one of the sides. That means that you can use these parts to put next to the opening inside the box, next to this circle cutout, and pin them with the pin, and then build the rest of the parts around them. If you put here a part that doesn't have a circle cutout, that means that you won't be able to pin it, and it doesn't matter how you put parts inside. When you flip the box, all of them will fall out of the box. So you have to find the only correct solution that will allow you to keep all the parts inside, even if you flip the box. If you like the pin-up box puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So here is the solution. Grab this piece first and put it right here. Then you grab this part and put it right here. Then you grab this piece. No, you have to grab this L-shaped part, put it down and slide it under this part. Then you grab another L-shaped piece, put it here. Then this piece goes on top, and we have only one part left. If you put it with the cutout facing the box, you will be able to put the pin inside, and now all parts stay inside even if you flip the box. That means that this is the correct solution of the puzzle. If you like the pin-up box puzzle and you wanna buy it, or you wanna try some other puzzles made by Lucy Powles or Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.